Hey all, I'm Jenny Sauer. I'm a mobile solutions specialist here with the USDA APHIS PPQ End User Tools Group, and this is a continuation, in fact, the final video in a series introducing you to the ArcGIS Field Maps mobile application. In this video, we will conclude and review everything we've learned to date. There is a quiz that you can use to follow along with this review. In fact, I recommend opening the quiz, taking it right along with my review. You'll find it easy and it will help you retain the information. What is ArcGIS Field Maps? Remember this visual? ArcGIS Field Maps is a mobile data collection application that is replacing 5 other mobile apps made by the same company, specifically right now the Collector app. So if you are using Field Maps this year to collect data, you probably used Collector last year and you'll find it very similar. How about installation? Well, PPQ users have it easy since the iPad is configured by CECIT automatically to have the ArcGIS Field Maps application installed. If it's not there, open a ticket with CECIT and have them reconfigure your iPad properly. However, if it's not there and you're a PPQ user, you also have the Apps at Work app to install or reinstall if that's needed. For external users, the ArcGIS Field Maps application is available from any app store for free. Opening Field Maps prompts you to sign in using either ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise. PPQ users use the Sign In with ArcGIS Enterprise option. And in order to get access to that enterprise or portal, you're going to need a few things. E-authentication level 2 from Human Resources, your supervisor's approval and request for a role, and an MRP enterprise role or account. To use Field Maps, at a minimum, that would be the APHIS field worker role. With some extra care, you can balance between these two environments. There is the MRP managed official production portal where official data is collected, and there is a stage portal also managed by MRP which hosts training versions of those official maps. Be sure that you use training maps only for training or practice purposes and keep official data collection in the official data collection portal. This means paying attention and signing out of a portal that is inappropriate and back into the correct one. Does this diagram look familiar? The ArcGIS Field Maps application is specifically designed to operate in disconnected mode, meaning an area of interest or a map area is downloaded to your device while connected to a Wi-Fi network. Then the device is disconnected from the internet and the field data is collected while disconnected. Once a reliable network connection is regained, the data is synchronized with the online map hosted back in the MRP portal. We went through more of these steps later. Once you've signed in to the ArcGIS Enterprise within the ArcGIS Field Maps application, you can find your map by typing the name into the search bar on top or any portion of the title of the map, or look for the group and then the map. I'm looking for the European gypsy moth, so I'm going to type in EGM. To download a map, choose the 3 dots or overflow menu on the map title card and add offline area. To add an offline area, you need to be connected to Wi-Fi. You'll want to choose a level of detail and area of interest and download. We also highly recommend renaming map areas for better identification later. The map you use in ArcGIS Field Maps may not look exactly like the ones demonstrated in these training videos. However, to add data, you tap this plus or add button, open a data form with an initial question, maybe not, and the data form is equipped with default answers, drop-down answers to choose from. A gray asterisk indicates a required field. These things in general are the same. GPS accuracy is reported out with a required accuracy of 30 feet. You're not seeing it right now, which means GPS accuracy is not met. It's shown in red, and there is a red circle around my location on the map. Once that GPS accuracy is met, those two, the messaging and this circle, turn blue, and then the point can be added by tapping Submit. The markup layer can be found among a few other extra features here in the overflow menu within your map. Choosing this markup menu allows you to literally mark up the map. You can add notations, labels, points, draw lines or circles, and add notes to all of those. But the markup layer lives on your device, private to you unless it is shared out. We demonstrated two ways to edit. One, using the map to select a point carefully, choose the edit icon and make the change, and hit submit to submit that edit. Or two, to use the sync pending edits list, choose the one that needs an adjustment, select edit to open the data form, and make the change. Again, hit submit. Edits saved to your device are indicated by this little dot on the sync icon, arrow directed out. The daily data sync is recommended twice a day since it both pushes data out that you've collected and pulls data and other updates in to your downloaded map area. A twice daily data sync, including one before you go as part of a parking lot test and one when you return to update your data to the hosted map service, is highly recommended and a very important part of the disconnected workflow. So congratulations, that's everything you need to know to introduce you to the ArcGIS Field Maps application. That's the gist to get you started. Don't forget to check out the Mobile Data Collection Tool website for upcoming training, documentation, and videos. And let us know how we did anytime. Completing the quiz while things are fresh in your mind is my best advice. Also, you'll get an automated email that tells you that you've completed this course. Great for passing on to supervisors or just filing away in your little list of accomplishments. Thanks for watching!